Macpac started very much as a technical brand. We were outfitting New Zealanders when there wasn't much other outdoor gear available in this country. All of our design starts with that as the basic premise, that we have to protect that key technical product because that's where our heritage lies. Working closely with the mountaineering community, we use the knowledge we gain from building cold weather gear for those guys, and all the other designs flow from that. We don't want winter to prevent you from getting outside. We want to make winter more accessible, whatever the weather is, whether that's on an outdoor adventure or whether that's just commuting to work or taking the kids to school. Durability and performance are key when you're at the top of the mountain. We see that flowing through all of our product. And that should ensure that you've got kit that lasts season after season.